Okay.
Okay, excellent. We are live.
Okay, hello.
Hello, Francisco. So here is our fifth, I think, yeah, fifth meeting. And tonight I'm going to be talking about HTML tags, video, audio, and canvas. Okay, so for that, I'm going to share my screen. And I have a file right here with me that I created. So I'm going to start talking about canvas. Do you see my screen, Francisco?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen.
All right. So here I have the three. I had to work with the three of them in the same file. So I'm going to
Mm-hmm.
start with canvas. So
Mm-hmm.
here's the first tag, HTML5 tag. With it only works with modern web browsers.
Uh-huh.
So in case uh, the browser doesn't work, so there is a message right here that says your browser does not support HTML5 canvas. So
Okay.
Canvas works with JavaScript, and the first thing is you create the HTML tag canvas. I have an ID here for the HTML, I mean for the JavaScript,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the size. I have a width of 200 and height for 100, and a border. The style is 1 pixel solid. And here is the JavaScript. Okay, so like I say, this is the element by ID, which is my canvas, and
Mm-hmm.
here is the get the context. Okay, so what I'm doing here, it's not it's a square, a rectangle, and I'm creating a line that moves from one corner to another corner with this. Okay, so this is the CTX, that is the element CTX that, and then the command. For example, in this case, it's CTX that line 2, and I created 200 and 100. This is the position right here. Uh, the context is a 2D design. It's not a 3D, but you can do 3D canvas as well. But in this case, for this example, I'm creating a 2D. Okay, let's just look at how this works. Let me show you my browser right here. So here is the canvas. Exactly this. This is the line, which is the position is 100 and 200. So if I do something here, for example, let's make it 100 and 100. It'll change like this. So there is a small change. I'll leave it right here with 200. 200, it goes back again to the corner. Um, I haven't tried like bigger numbers. There you go. That's how it moves. Bigger number. Okay. You can also create circles. In this case, I have this little line. You can create text. Let me show you something
Okay.
here with um, the W3 schools. So here's the one I'm working with. But there are a lot of them. Like, let me show you. Here. So this element is used to draw graphics on the web page. There are many people working with Canvas in there. Most of them I've seen I've seen some of them which are 3D, which is really cool. And like I say, this is a for a line. This is an example of a circle. right here. Here is the arc 955402, and then the calculation, which is pi. Okay. Okay. So this is canvas, and let me show you the next HTML tag is video. Okay. So let me create an example right here. I just added a video. It's called big underscore buck bunny dot avi. I hope this works. Oh, looks like this. Let's see if this. I try to download it, but it doesn't. It's in AVI. I thought it was going to be an MP4, but it is not an MP4, so I'm not sure exactly how to work with this one. So basically with this one, instead of creating an iframe, which is the way we, in my case, I did iframes before, you can have a video tag. You give it the width right here, and then the controls are right here. The source, which is right here. The type of the video, which is MP4. This should be MP4, but I downloaded as an AVI, so it should be MP4, but I'm gonna have to do that. And there is another source, which is a OGG, which is a video type as well. And then the message, if it doesn't work, if the browser is too old, the message is that the browser does not support HTML5. Okay. Then, well, there is another P tag right here with the reference. Okay.
What is this P? Oh, yeah.
Sorry?
And P is for paragraph. So,
yes, that's okay. All right, let me change right here. I downloaded a little zone right here. Not sure why is it MP. Okay, this is working. So the last HTML5 tag I want to talk about, it's audio. So it works basically the same as video. The only thing is you don't have a width right here. Okay. But we have the source, which is where you're going to find the file. In this case, I have an MP3 file right here. And the same, there is a message if the audio control is not displayed in the browser because it is old, maybe. And here is how it works. Let me just refresh. And there it is. Okay, and that's how you get audio on your website. Okay, there are other things you can do. For example, let me go back right here. Audio, right here. Okay, so let's see. These are the formats: MP3, OGG, and WAV. The format, the tags, which is audio, like I said before, and the source where you will find the file. Okay. So those are the HTML5 I wanted to talk about in this presentation. Do you have any questions, Francisco?
No, yeah, I think these tags are great. So before HTML5, the way that developers play video or audio in a browser was using plugins, and I remember like installing plugins to watch videos or listen to audio. But now all that is embedded in HTML5,
That is,
and that is wonderful.
yes, that is correct. Yeah. Okay. All right then, Francisco. If there is, um, well, in my case, this is all that I wanted to share with you tonight.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you very much for being in this meeting.
Okay,
Okay,
see you next week.
see you next week.